This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the boot, prise out the centre expander pin, then prise out the body of the scrivet securing the trim panel. Pull the trim panel away a little, then press the catch sideways and withdraw the bulb holder. Push and twist to release the relevant bulb from the holder. Press in the bulb and twist it clockwise a little to secure it. Note that some bulbs have offset pins and will only fit in one way. Manoeuvre the bulb holder into position, hooking it in at the top first, then press it into place to engage the retaining catch. Refit the trim panel, insert the scrivet and press in the centre pin to secure it.